Hey everyone, my name is Arafat and welcome to the channel Arafat Productions. Today I will share with you how to create water in Photoshop. Watch this video till end to know how do I create this. You can see I have a nice background. I add a water. It is the upper part of the water. Hold shift and resize it like me. Add a soil color and choose water color. Press Ctrl+I to invert this. Now just brush over only these areas. Reduce the opacity like 67%. I think 59 is good. This is a little bit more thicker. Now let's add some bubbles. You can get those brushes on internet. Add a soil color, then choose a similar color like water. Press Ctrl+I to invert, hold Ctrl, then left click on this layer. Now add some bubbles. Erase those using brush tool. Select all layer and convert to smart object. Go to camera raw filter. Here I do a bunch of color correction. Of course some clarity and some texture, but not from here, I will add it later. Draw a liner gradient. Make sure that cover only the water area. Here we go. Now I add some clarity and texture. A little bit sharpness, a bunch of saturation, and some color correction here. Then I add another liner gradient. Here I do some important corrections like exposure, blacks, shadow, temperature. After happy with it, hit OK. This is a smart object, so we can modify it anytime by double clicking on this layer. So guys, how was this video? Comment below. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you want more updates from this channel, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. It will notify to you every new updates.